cheers to Christopher Grantner. After all the excellent things that I've heard about your gloves, let's gonna see one in the flesh. Boiler room creation without the custom blades. It's been through customs. Actually did quite well. I'm very, very excited. We've got a nice little packet there. It doesn't look like customs have gone in. Oh, it's looking good. Seen a lot of boiler room creation reviews. Oh, the glove. It definitely smells nice. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Wow, there's some cool weathering. It's actually got a very weathered back plate. Much more weathered than I ever thought. We've got all this paper, get that off. Oh, I need to nick myself on the blade then, it's a dangerous object.
Much easier it goes on than that funny cheap one you had.
I told him I had a big hand, and I have got a big hand, that's good. Very nice. Good fit there. Really nice fitting glove. This actually does work, which a lot of the fake ones don't. That is truly sick. It's got a lot more weathering on the back. A lot more weathering there than other videos I've seen. And even the blades that like it says he's always improving his boiler room creation, but yeah, I'm just chilling here now, sitting. That's one sick Freddy glove. Shut up, dog.
What do you think, Ted? What do you think?
It's approved. Dog approved. Yep. So yeah, there you go. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the amazing craftsmanship. And yeah, just keep up the good work. You make a lot of people happy. That has made me very happy. Thanks a lot.
I've got some perfect shoes.
Yeah.
That's absolutely fine. Yeah, I've got some perfect shoes for it actually. I just need to find one.
How's it?
You are funny.
How's it?
Thank you so much, sorry. I'm just very scared.
Soul chips.
Wait, it's Halloween. It's just arrived today in the nick of time.
It's look like real.
It is real. Ted, come here. Teddy, what's this? Hey Ted, come on Dracula, what's this? You can smile. Oh, let's have a look. You smiling?
His eyes.
There you go. Little bit of fish. Little dish of fish. Good boy, good boy.